So records are family of the rabbit animals. Raccoons are a family of the rabbit animals. Spider. This is the consonant S. 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 Spider. Spider. Uh, in this consonant we use a little R, and we just whisper. We almost whisper. Spider. 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 Spiders can walk through, not through. Spiders can walk on the wall. Spiders can walk on the wall. This is the consonant T, one of the most strong consonants of English. T. It is a plosive consonant, and we say tiger, tiger, tiger. It is really plosive. And with the word tiger, I say the tiger is one of the most strongest animals in the jungle. This is the consonant V, V, a labiodental consonant, which is really soft. And the difference between this V and the V, sorry, and the another one is that this is labiodental and the other one is totally labial. So we say vulture, vulture. It is a species of bird, vulture. So vultures live in the highest places of the world. W. W is one of the important uh, consonants in English because sometimes it is assimilated like uh, a vowel, a semi-vowel, or a consonant. This is one of the most important consonants of English is W. 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 It is a velar and, and labiodental consonant. With walrus, which is a animal that lives in the North Pole. We say walrus. Sorry, walrus live in the Pole North. Walrus live in the Pole North. X, 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 X in the word extraordinary. I can say it is extraordinary the way these dogs are running. It is extraordinary the way these dogs are running. Why? 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 It is a consonant. For me, it is a soft consonant in English sound because we don't use it like in Spanish. We don't say jack. We don't say the word like that. We say yak, yak, yak. That is why for me it is a soft consonant, and we say yak. So yaks are found in the desert. And this last one is set, set, set. In the word zebra, zebra. So we say zebras are. black and white. And this is all for today. Uh, I'm totally pleased uh, to have been able to introduce the consonant sounds according to what I've been reading in the bibliographical references that as the tutors the university give us. So it's been a pleasure. And remember that this was task 2 of consonant sounds of the CARES English phonetics. Thank you very much. Bye.